see here in this question again, 2028. Again, it is not a perfect square. We have to find the number which should be multiplied. तो to find that हम सबसे पहले इसका निकालेंगे. We will find prime factorization. Even number है तो it will go by 2. 5, 0 और 7. Why I am writing 0 अब सबको समझ में आ गया होगा, because in many previous videos I have explained detailed division. लिख के रफ कॉलम में कर लें if you have doubt. Now it is 7, so it will not go by 2, so we will try by 3, because 5 और 7 को प्लस करने पे you get the answer 12. 12 3 की टेबल में आता है तो it will be divisible by 3. 3 1s are 2 will go there, and 3 6s are and 2 will come here 9. Okay, then again it will go by 169. अगर आपको याद है स्क्वायर्स then it will be more easy, क्योंकि ये प्राइम नंबर का स्क्वायर है. it is a square of 13. okay, so here it will come 13 and 13. 169 is the square of 13. ये हमारा आ गया. now we will write it like this. here 2028 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. when we make the groups of 2 2, 1 3 is left alone. that means हमें एक 3 और चाहिए. means we will multiply this number by 3. okay, so 2028 should be multiplied by 3 so as it becomes a perfect square. so that it becomes a perfect square. so what will be the new number? New number is equals to 2028 into 3. so it will multiply. 3 8s are 24 का 4, 2 carry over, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 will be 8, 3 0s are 0 and 3 2s are 6. this is your new number. whatever new number we have received इसका भी हमें square root पता लगाना है. so we will write here now square root of 6084 is equals to, again if you want you can do prime factorization of 6084, but we will use the logic. ये theme line ली है, इसमें 2028 का prime factorization we will get it from here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13 और यहाँ पे हमने 3 मल्टीप्लाई किया था तो we have written 13. अब देखो ग्रुप बनाया and this 3 and this 3 will make group. so I'll write 2, I'll write 1 for this 2 3, I'll write 1 3 and I'll write 13. so what it will become? 2 3s are 6, 6 into 13 and 78. thus square root of 6084 is equals to 78. so your first part answer, new number they are asking, and what should be multiplied? 3 should be multiplied. clear? okay, now here again you have to find what should be multiplied in 1458 to make it a perfect square. so we will do the prime factorization of 1458 starting with 2 because 8 is a even number. so it will be 7s are 2, 9s are, then this will go by 3. so it will be 3 and 3 2s are 4 and 3, it will again go by 3. 81, it will again go by 3. 27, again it will go by 3. again it will go by 3. okay, so we will write here here 1458 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now we will make the groups. So now you observe properly. Here groups of 3 is there, 2 is alone. That means we have to multiply by 2. 2 अकेला है तो हमें 2 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. तो we will write, so 1458 should be multiplied by 2 so as it becomes a perfect square. Okay, so that it becomes a perfect square, we have to multiply it by 2. So now what will be the new number? New number they are asking, so new number is equals to 1458 into 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry over 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 का 1 carry over 2 7, 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 and 2 1s are 2. This is the our new number, and new number का भी we have to find the square root. So what will happen here? Now square root of 2916 is equals to, again we will use the logic. So what it will become? It will become 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into, we have multiplied by 1 extra 2. when you will find the group, ये 2 का इस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. ओके, तो फॉर दिस 2 1 2 विल कम आउट. 2 3 के लिए 1 3 प्लस 1 3 प्लस 1 3. सो व्हाट इट विल बिकम, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and then 27 2s are, okay, so it will come 54. Thus square root of 2916 is 54. This is your answer. New number they have asked, so this is the new number, and what should be multiplied? 2 should be multiplied.